So for the 6-1 working together and on your own, we have been given the information from the general ledger accounts and balances for gold and tan. And we're asked to prepare a heading and a trial balance on the worksheet. And then we're asked to total and roll the trial balance columns. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is this heading here. And if we remember, our heading has our business's information. So the first thing I want is the business name, which is Gold and Tan. The second thing I want is the report title. So this is a worksheet. And then I want my fiscal period. This fiscal period, as the instruction said, we're February 28th. So now that I've got that done, I'm going to just work my way down, listing all of my account titles in order of the chart of accounts. So the first one I'm going to do is cash, and then I'm going to do petty cash, accounts receivable, supplies, and prepaid insurance. That's my CASP. Those are my assets. So cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, supplies, and prepaid insurance. Then I'm going to list my liability of accounts payable and my owner's equity, capital and drawing. So my accounts payable is my liability, owner's equity of capital and drawing. Now I've got income summary. That's that imaginary line. So I'm going to drag out my income summary. And now I can continue on with my sales revenue. And then all of my expenses, remember, are in alphabetical order. So advertising, insurance, miscellaneous, supplies, and utilities. So I'm just finishing out my chart of accounts. Sales is my revenue, and then in alphabetical order, all of my expense accounts. Once I have my account titles listed in the order of my chart of accounts, I'm going to just copy down the actual amounts. So debit of $9,800, and again, here's where I figured this out. This is a debit of $9,800 into cash. So $9,800 debit to cash, $150 debit to petty cash, $2,795 to accounts receivable. Next up is supplies, $456 debit, prepaid insurance, $700 debit. And now notice that I'm actually in the credits column for both my accounts payable of $555 and my capital for $14,885. So those are going to go in the credit. So $555 going in my credit for accounts payable, $14,885 in my credit for capital. Then I'm back into my debit, $3,400 for drawing. So $3,400 for drawing. There is nothing in my income summary. I'm going to leave it blank. For sales, I have a credit. Remember, sales always a credit, $4,320. So in the credit column, sales, $4,320. And now advertising expense, debit, $931. I have nothing in insurance expense, leave it blank. Miscellaneous, $378 debit. Nothing in supplies, leave it blank. And then utilities, $1,100. And that's going to go in my debit as well. At this point, I'm ready to add all of my debits up and make sure that they equal my credits, because that is the whole point of my trial balance. So 9,800 plus 150 plus 2,795 plus 456 plus 750 plus 3,400 plus 931 plus 378 plus 1100 equals 19,760. So I can drop that as the total for my debits. My credits should be the same thing. I've got 555 plus 14,885 plus 4320, and I'm given 19,760. And so remember, as long as your debits equal your credits, then that is the whole point of the trial balance, and you're good.